So that happened, and then I don't know if you see it over there. Hold on. Try to get over there without dying. Popped off here too, as I was insulating. So we're gonna have to fix that. I got this piece back on, by the grace of God. We put another 90 on top right here. I kind of wanted to avoid this sharp turn. I really did. But it is what it is, man. We'll see if the air blows. I have a feeling it probably will. I think we can make that work. I gotta be honest, I just hate how not straight that's going down. It's just gonna be way crooked. It's gonna drive me crazy. I wish it wouldn't, and I could probably let it go after a couple nights of sleep. But I'm literally gonna have to cut that back again because it's not straight. I want it to be kind of straight, because the truth is, it's probably not going to be perfectly straight. That's the truth. And I can live with not perfect. I can live with not perfect. But I can't live with, obviously, not very good. We'll try something else. That much. You know, I could say I can not live with, obviously not very good, but the truth is, sometimes I leave a job and the truth is, it's just obviously not very good, you know. So, oh, that was painful, a little bit of pain. That's just how it is sometimes, but I don't know. I guess the beauty of having breath in your lungs the next day is you get to try again. And hopefully do better. You know, I think I can live with that. The 90 didn't even have to go as far back as I thought it needed to. But I think I can definitely live with that.